I got this truck in a trade. And I decided that I'm going to fix it and make it straight. I need help on what color to paint it. I'm thinking about going a Brandywine. This is just a two-wheel drive truck. I'm thinking about lowering it just a little, not real low, just a sports stance. But what y'all think? Pearl white or Brandywine, candy Brandywine, or teal? I don't know. I'm gonna do whatever I think I can get the most out of it. But if y'all have any work you need done, let me know, because right now I'm just working on this to flip it. I can easily pull it out and work on yours.